What's up guys, Josh here. Welcome back to the channel. So I already got my shifter kit in for the car. Shout out to The Chosen. Great series. So this is how the kit comes. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this yet. I'm going to check it out after. See what's in there now. Because I know it's got a Hurst shifter. Yeah, look, I messed the view up. But yeah, it comes with, the little angled piece. Oh, I'm hungry. I'm sloppy right now. But yeah, that goes on that. Oh, man. I need a table. That commercial cracks me up. So I had to throw that piece together so it's not rolling around as much. But yeah, I'm going to get some work done. Later today, I'll be back on installing this. It's supposed to rain pretty bad. I was going to do catch cans on the Cobra, but it looks like I might be sitting inside the GT, getting rid of that super ugly shifter in there. Yeah, but we'll see if we use this. This comes with, I'll show you how to set up the stoppers and the transmission and all that fun stuff. Okay, so we're in the car. I think I have all the tools I need. If I need anything else, I'll go out and grab some. Yeah, I'm watching a Cobra video. I'm always watching something. So first step's gonna be to unscrew this, pop the bezel off. So let's do that. So that just unscrews. It's a stop screw. This, don't use a screwdriver because you'll scratch things. Pry it with your fingers. Pull in lightly and pull out. You'll snap that out and you'll do it the same way on this side. And then I assume there's a plug. So I gotta unplug that. Now look at this thing. That's a shaft if I've never seen one. If I've ever seen one. Oh boy. The Mustang people really like that. I heard these things are comfortable, but I mean, yeah, it's big. It's towards you, I guess, when you're driving. It's just not my style. I'm all the way an OEM Mustang shifter, especially a short throw adjustable shifter. So the next step here is going to be the screws. Looks like this screw is not even in all the way. That one is. It's 8mm screws, it looks like. We're going to take those out. That one's missing. A little bit rough here, but it's probably because of this whole stupid Hurst thing. Now I know why all the instructions for working on cars say disconnect the battery first. I always used to laugh at it too. But this plug right here was laying right over here. Focus, come on. It was laying here and unknown to me, and I was unscrewing that bolt right there and it sparked. I was like, what the hell's hot over here? Because of that plug, because of that cigarette lighter. So watch out for that, guys. So now that's off, and we got this big guy exposed. So we're gonna take these 4 bolts out here and remove this thing once and for all. Good riddance. What do you guys think of cammed out 03 Cobras? Pretty sweet. Not for me, but pretty sweet. Once you got the bolts off, just pull up on it. I mean, this one came right out. If you got a stock one, it's probably gonna need some little jiggling to get it out, and just grab it with a paper towel in case there's any drippage going on underneath. If she's dripping, oh, looks like my plastic grommets in there. So I'm gonna pull that out, snap it on the new device, and get it in there. And I'm gonna reapply a new gasket. Brought out the gasket maker. Gonna scrape off the old one first, make sure it's dry. Gotta go get a knife, razor blade, don't have one. So all I did now is stuff it full so no crap gets in there, and I'm just gonna scrape it with the razor blade and clean it up a little bit. Okay, so it's pretty cleaned up. I'm gonna pop that plastic thing on wherever it is and go. All right, so I put a gasket around it, throw the shifter on. I'm gonna throw the bolts in now and tighten her down. So I decided against using the Allen bolts that come in the kit, and I just use the Hurst hex ones so I can use a ratchet, but I dropped one of the washers outside. Hopefully this thing's under the car. There it is. I see it. Okay, base plate's in and torqued down. I added some of my own grease to this. I also swapped the springs out in here to see how tight it would be inside, and I think it's tight enough as it is. I think. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I gotta test this thing out. I think it really needs to be broken in. It was a cheap, this thing was like 40 bucks. I really just wanted a new handle, but I didn't know you had to buy the whole thing. New to the game in that sense. Justin SVT's new video. So right now I'm just testing out the spring tension on both the sides here, because it looks like I have to like return it kinda, which isn't a big deal. But I'm gonna swap in the other springs. I'm gonna grab them real quick while it's out and just see how it feels, because inside it was real tight doing it by hand, but it's super easy now that it's all put together. So I'm gonna grab those and install them, and we'll see where we're at. The car was pretty quick. And this is just showing the spring that it comes installed with, and the other spring. See, the coil's thicker. I'm just gonna make sure this thing stays in there. Just gotta make sure that piece stays in. Oh no. Okay. So I'm gonna get my little screwdriver and delicately flip that. So this setup looks to be better, stiffer. This is more my style. Returns nice. So now we're gonna put the stops in for our third and fourth gear. So for this, you're gonna wanna put it in third. And screw this thing all the way in. Let it hit. Then back off about a turn. It's about what I do. Turn and a quarter. And then you're gonna put your the nuts they supplied you, you're gonna thread them on the ends here carefully. Don't lose your position. Same thing with fourth. Flap it back, thread it all the way in till it touches. A little bit back. And then you put your last lock nut on and finish. And that's it, we're done, guys. So I actually put a little bit of sealant on these so they don't move. I'm gonna do the same on those. And then we're just gonna reassemble the same as we took it off. We're gonna put the boot on. Put that boot on, shift knob, and we'll be all set, guys. We'll see what it looks like. I can already tell it's gonna be a lot better than what was there. So after those are installed, mine only had three bolts. I'm gonna put the shift boot on and go inside and have some pizza. Just arrived. And we're done, guys. Tall thing is gone. Pretty simple. Shifter's great. Way shorter. It's way quicker to shift. It's way firmer. I mean, it's just awesome. It's awesome now. It's night and day. Almost feels like you're driving a different car. I mean, this is how short it is. That's fourth. It's not bad. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Have a safe evening or morning, wherever you're at. God bless. Thanks for watching. How low this thing is.